Hello everybody, this is my first video ever and I'm doing on a 2013 Chrysler Town & Country. I got a new driver in the house, thought he was Richard Petty, and the garage door thought something different. So I got a broken mirror. I went around YouTube trying to find videos for 2013s, couldn't find them. You get a lot of 2010s, 3s, 7s, whatever, and they all tell you to pop from out here. So I gave that a shot and I realized that was not working because it was not budging down here. I looked around, this is all one piece. It does not pop up and out like the older models, or I guess this is an older model now, but like the 2013s. So I came in the car, said, what can I do? So I popped this one out, started from the top, pried it out. It was stuck on the bottom, so real easy. I just started shaking it, and you see there's the clip from the bottom that was stuck. Top one pops out pretty easy. That's just a vertical clip. Then after that, there was one bolt that went right here. And to save everybody the time of looking for what socket, it was a 13mm. Saved a little bit of time. Now I'm at the point of this cord. This is, I want to check the new piece. It is a long cord, so I know it's not plugged in here. I believe the plug is somewhere down here. And I'm going to try to figure this out and I'll get back with you. Well, this has become more of a pain in the butt than I was hoping. So you got to take this whole piece off. First of all, you got to take, there's two covers right there that once you take out, you have two screws, and it's not a flat or Phillips. I forget what these are called, maybe a T21, or it's been so long. I just have a set, and I got lucky that I had that piece. Both of those, at least for this van, with the same screw. And then there are clips. There are clips all throughout here, all the way around, that are plastic and that will break. So what I did accidentally, I ended up breaking one right here. And I still have this piece, so that'll shove back in that hole. So I'm hoping it'll all go back together. You see I jacked it up when I was trying to pry. I got a little bit of black paint I put over there. I should never get wet, but I don't want it to rust anyway. And then right here, that's where it goes in. Right by that white one. You got red, white, and then the black is the mirror. Now to make it more difficult, the clip, it goes in this way. So the clip is on the bottom. Now, yeah, I could have went around and took off all the rest of the clips and took the whole door off. Since I already broke one, I didn't want to press my luck. So anyway, you got a clip right here. That'll pop off, and this will slide out. I've already got it loose because I took that bolt out. It'll come right out. All right, I got it hooked back up. Now, I did tell you I broke those two. You can't see it. I did break those two clips, but after I put the screws back in, here and here, put the caps back on, the door, see me wiggling it, it is tight. It is tight, so that should be good. Got that out of the way. When you install this, I should have show you on the old one. There's a path that goes up in. You can mess it up. This one's on the side. I don't know if you can see that. The new one, which is probably not a Mopar part, but like a aftermarket or something, it went up in the middle. And what you want to make sure is you put the wire above this. That's like another clip It comes inwards, down. Put this bad boy back in there and tighten her up. All I have left to do is put this in, which, like I said earlier, it's got the clip on the bottom, clip on top. It's a straight in, or when you're taking it off, straight out. Don't pull up because you don't want to bust that bottom one. Well, first time I ever did one of these. Hopefully it was short and sweet. I know I hate it when I go to look on YouTube and see something that's 20 minutes long. I don't have 20 minutes to watch it. So if this is helpful, great. If not, sorry. Maybe someone will make a better one.